In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Arabic text in CapCut PC quickly and correctly, so your letters display properly and look clean in your edit. This is perfect if you want to create subtitles, captions, titles, or stylish text overlays in Arabic without the letters breaking or appearing in the wrong style. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Once your project is loaded, look at the top panel and click on Text. This is where CapCut keeps all of its text tools, including normal text, auto captions, and text styles. After that, click Add Text. This will create a new text layer on your timeline, and open the text editing box so you can start typing right away. Now, here's the important part. Paste or type your Arabic text into the text box. You can write a sentence, a title, a caption, or any Arabic phrase you want to use in your video. If you are copying text from another app or website, just paste it in carefully and make sure it appears correctly before moving on. If the letters do not look right, don't worry, because the next step will help fix that. Next, select a font that supports Arabic characters. This is very important because not every font works well with Arabic script. If the font does not support Arabic, the letters may look incomplete, disconnected, or unusual on screen. Try different fonts inside CapCut until you find one that displays the text cleanly and clearly. Once you choose the right font, you can adjust the size, position, color, spacing, and style to match your video. You can place the Arabic text at the top, center, or bottom of the screen depending on your design. If you want it to stand out more, you can also add background shapes, shadows, or outlines. That helps improve readability and makes your text look more professional. After that, scrub through your timeline and preview the text in motion to make sure it looks good in the final video. This is a simple step, but it helps you catch any issues before exporting. And that's it. You now know how to add Arabic text in CapCut PC using the text tool, add text, and a font that supports Arabic characters. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CapCut tutorials, editing tricks, and content creation tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.